Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you join me here today where we have this absolutely beautiful and substantial country home in the highly desirable village of Fenny Compton, Southam, just set under the Burton Dassett Hills Country Park. We're set in grounds of just over an acre with a paddock and an orchard. It really is a beautiful place to live. Let's take a look inside. This beautiful home has got the added benefit of a holiday let accommodation attached to the property. This could also be used as ancillary accommodation or a work from home environment. You've joined me in the paddock, which is attached to the rear garden. There's a delightful little orchard, and you can walk out to Burton Dassett Hills Country Park from here. It really is a stunning place to live. If you'd like more information, please do contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.